Hello everybody, welcome back to Bobby's World. I've not showed you my washing machines for 24 months of the new ones. I have got some other washing machines that, well, 3 others that, well, we're trying to fix a Kasdan, but that'll be in the next video. These washing machines, these are just the standard ones, and these are, well, the very rare ones. Let's show you. So, we'll start with this one, the Smart. The Smart is this is the more thingier version, the smarter version of this one. This one is the more basic version, but it has, well, it's a nice one too. I got that for Christmas, I think, and it works. Oh no, yeah, it's not got batteries in it though. The Washmatic has not been used for a long time, as most of the Kasdans make that noise. Don't know why, but just like that. No batteries in it. Hotpoint. They all make that noise. No batteries in it. This is the Kasdan one. Got another Kasdan pink Hotpoint, I think. Very, very dusty on. As they all make that noise. Wash goes very slow. It's a very slow washing machine. Looks like it's been out in the sun for too long. Well, it was on random sale. It was actually on random sale. I chose it. I actually chose this one for, I think it was my birthday. I chose that. And I think it looks like it's been out in the sun too long, but the paint actually makes it more interesting, actually. Oh no, I didn't show. That's wash, eco wash, and spin. Doesn't go very fast. Buzzing brains. The car has now got a door open feature. The washing machine has now got a door open feature. To go with the door open, because we modified it with blue tack, I think. Anyway, this one has got buttons in it. The door opens. It's quite of an excellence, as you can say. This is the, well, I think it's Mummy chose this. Mummy and me chose this one. All the ones that are on sale are now mine. Yeah. Well, this one, very, very similar to the Buzzing Brains here, only just in different colours. I'll shut the door. Anyway, it's high up, but you won't be able to see the door, but I'll just open it. I think it's a bit dirty, isn't it? I think I'm talking about the Buzzing Brains one. This one doesn't have a door open feature, but we don't want to ruin it like that. This is very noisy. I'm going to have to turn it off at night. Well, I'll stop that one because that actually doesn't go smoothly. So that's why it's rumbling. This is a, well, I can say ridiculous washing machine, because it makes a funny noise. Well, here we go. Off the drawer. A little bit clean, a little bit cleaner. Oh, that's a funny noise. Hopefully it'll do it. Still doesn't work. Well, hopefully this will clear it. Nah, nothing clears that. But as you know, I hope one of you has got one of, well, this washing machine, well, this exact model, because then you'll know what it sounds like. But I hope I can get that working. Yes. Anyway, spin. Doesn't work. Now, I'll just get up and show you this one. Mummy and me chose this one again. Actually, the drum doesn't spin round. Unless I think it's no, I don't know what way, I don't. This one. You go the other way. Okay, it spins round. That's the noise of the fill up. You see the stickers telling you what it does. Spin! Sounds like I'm recording a real washing machine to me. What's this one? What is this one? Oh, I don't know. Red and quite a... It's called My First Washing Machine. And it does look a bit basic. It does look like a sort of a 4-year-old one, but we still love it. We love it. We love it good. Door open feature again. This one, it works. Just like I put my hand in there. The door is so hard to shut on these machines. I don't know why. This is like a 4-year-old one. They're so small, the drum too. I'm not lifting it properly. Yeah. Right, on. Noise of filler. Just go around. Quite fast, particularly for a 4-year-old washing machine. And it has an auto feature where it goes through all the cycles like a real washing machine. Now let's move down to here. This, as you can see, is quite dusty. It's quite similar to this one, but it has a very much bigger drum. Again, it looks like well, this is more of a 4-year-old girl one, but again, we still love it. That's just to fill up. It's really, really fast. If I could just get that thing moving. I could just do it with the door open if I could. It's just so many Just trying to get this. There's just so many washing machines here. I'm going to tip it over and show you. Miele Power Washing Twin DOS W1. As Miele, well, again, I hope you've got one so you know how this works. Down here is the realistic drawer. Ultra Phase 1. Ultra Phase 2. I'm very happy with that they've done that. There's no batteries in, I'll show you in the next video. Can't get the drawer, my feels too stiff. Anyway, working dial, but that doesn't actually put it on a cycle, but it's got working dial. Start, stop, all these works. All of these works. These are just play ones. on a minute. These are. Spin is not. Sure. Unless I just made that happen. Here's another one. One of the rare ones, for example. This is the Vulcan, made in England. 1960s. Now we're very lucky to have this one. This is one of the most rare ones. Don't matter if this don't matter if this washing machine is scratched or not. This is a rare one. Just about to say car again, guys. Anyway, now ringer, you can actually put stuff through there like a baby wipe or something. Things around when you do that. As I'll show you. Get that on there. This supposed to put water in it, but we don't want to ruin it. This is the Mary Lou, 1950s. The last one. This is very rare. And it still works. Little one there. See the Mary Lou extra come on with paper on bottom. What's this? Wash. Oh, that way. Let's try. Ah, eh? Oh yeah. Let me push it in. Spin for. It's got it working. Anyway, that'll be for today. And goodbye. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Well, and goodbye.